Hey everyone, my name is Carrie and I'm the team lead of the product training department here at Wellness Living. In this training video, I'm going to walk you through how to use our new email-less form to allow your staff members to easily reach out to our support team through the Wellness Living software directly. With this new improvement, staff members can now easily submit a ticket to our Wellness Living support team through the Wellness Living software. So to do that, staff members can click on the Help section. From the Help section, they will go ahead and type in what they're finding, and then from there, they can select a knowledge-based article. Now, from this point, if they still can't determine what they want to find, they can go ahead and scroll all the way down or until this bar on the bottom appears. So from here, we can go ahead and click on Email Us. Once we click on Email Us, we will see the new email form that will be submitted to our support team. So from here, we have the email subject line that your staff member can enter, the description of the issue, and then any attachments such as screenshots or screen recordings that they would like to provide for our support team so that our team can better assist them with troubleshooting the issue. The user who submits this ticket will then receive a toast message once it has been successfully confirmed, and any responses thereafter from our support team will be emailed directly to the staff that is currently logged in while they compose this email. This is a great improvement for our users so that they don't have to open up a separate mailing app in order to mail a ticket to our support team, whereas right now they can just go ahead and submit the form directly in the software. So it's less steps for the users to go ahead and reach out to our support team and just makes their lives a lot easier in terms of submitting a ticket.